COOAU D30S 4K Dash Cam. Ultimate Uber camera with dual 2.5K plus 1080p, night vision, and GPS. Grab yours now. When it comes to dash cams, the COOAU D30S is in a league of its own. Combining cutting-edge technology with real-world practicality, this 4K dashcam brings you clarity, peace of mind, and functionality, all without breaking the bank. With front and inside dual cameras recording at 2.5K plus 1080p, you'll never miss a detail, whether it's road signs, license plates, or unexpected incidents. The added GPS and Wi-Fi integration make it easy to track and share your journey, making this dash cam an essential for any driver who values safety and simplicity. Let's talk features. This dash cam isn't your average setup. Unlike many competitors, the COOAU D30S offers superior night vision thanks to its infrared LEDs and advanced NOVATEK sensor. Whether you're driving at night or in low-light conditions, the cabin camera captures clear images, while the front camera records in stunning 4K. Paired with the built-in GPS and 24-hour parking monitoring, it ensures that no matter what happens, you've got a reliable, high-quality video backup. Plus, with Wi-Fi and a custom app, you can easily access footage in real time. It's like having your own personal eyewitness. What makes the COOAU D30S so great? For one, it's designed with convenience in mind. The compact, sleek design ensures it's installed out of sight behind your rearview mirror, so it doesn't distract you while driving. The 170 degrees front camera and 150 degrees cabin lens cover more ground than your average dash cam, giving you a clear picture of everything happening inside and outside your car. This dual camera setup is perfect for Uber, Lyft, or rideshare drivers, as it helps to record crucial incidents and even enhance driving behavior, keeping both you and your passengers safe. If you're looking for a dash cam that saves you time and money, this is it. With loop recording and up to 256 GB storage support, you can rest assured that you'll never run out of space. And if something happens, the G-sensor automatically locks the video, preventing it from being overwritten. Plus, with a 24-month warranty and a customer care team that's available 24/7, you're guaranteed to get top-notch support whenever you need it. The D30S not only helps protect you on the road, but it also gives you peace of mind in the event of a dispute or accident. The COOAU D30S isn't just affordable, it's built to last. Made with high-quality components, it's engineered to withstand extreme temperatures thanks to its supercapacitor design, which eliminates the need for a battery. This gives you greater durability and ensures your dash cam works for years, even through the hottest summers or coldest winters. Compared to other dash cams on the market, the D30S offers impressive features at a fraction of the price, making it an unbeatable choice for drivers looking for reliability, ease of use, and top-tier performance. Ready to upgrade your road safety? Get the COOAU D30S today and drive with confidence.